Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your school Chromebook. Many school networks block gaming websites and applications, making it tricky to access your favorite games. We will explore a few common strategies that students use to bypass these restrictions. Remember, it's important to understand your school's rules before attempting any of these methods to ensure you stay within guidelines. One popular method involves using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection and routes it through a server in a different location, effectively masking your activity from the school network. Alternatively, proxy websites can also reroute your connection, making it appear as if you are accessing Roblox from a different server. Be sure to choose reputable services for security. Another straightforward approach, if available, is to use the Android App Store. Many modern Chromebooks have built-in support for Android applications. You can check if your device has access to the Google Play Store. If it does, simply search for the Roblox app and install it directly, just as you would on an Android phone or tablet. This method is often the most reliable. Before trying any of these methods, it is crucial to review your school's acceptable use policy. Unauthorized access or bypassing security measures could lead to disciplinary actions. While playing games can be fun, remember that your school Chromebook is primarily a learning tool. Always prioritize your assignments and studies, and use these methods responsibly and sparingly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.